Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In the previous video, I've teach you on how to use a formula called summation. So in this video, I will teach you on how to use a formula called average in Google Spreadsheet. As you can see here, there is four name that is Anna, Assistant Carol, Kate, and the total money spent in the year of 2019. These are the money they spent in January. So you need to find an average. All you need to do is type average here, then drag the value here and press enter. So these are the average of money they spent in January. So you need to find March, April, May, and so on. All you need to do is copy the formula and pass it down just like this. See, it's easy, right? So that's all for my video today. Please like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next video. Thank you.